Just a quick update on the new admission in room 9. He's a 68-year-old male, admitted post-fall, but the fall seems secondary to a syncopal episode. His bloods show mild anemia and borderline troponin levels, and his ECG is inconclusive. Nothing obviously ischemic, but not entirely normal either.
That's a bit ambiguous. Any known cardiac history, Mihira?
None documented, but his wife mentioned he's been unusually fatigued for weeks. No chest pain, but a few dizzy spells. We've requested an echo and Holter monitor to rule out any arrhythmias.
Okay. And what's the plan for today?
Keep him on telemetry, monitor vitals closely. I've asked physio to hold off mobilizing until we clarify the cause of the syncopal event. Also, we'll repeat the troponins in 6 hours, just to be safe.
Got it, Mihira. So, mainly observation for now.
Observation, yes, but targeted. We're trying to determine if this was cardiac in origin or just orthostatic. Either way, we need to be cautious before proceeding.
Mihira, I understand that seeing a bruise can be worrying, but please know that they are a very common and natural part of the body's healing process. A bruise appears when very tiny blood vessels, called capillaries, under our skin experience minor trauma or pressure. This doesn't mean anything is broken or seriously damaged. It's simply that these delicate vessels have sustained a small bump or twist, allowing a small amount of blood to leak into the surrounding tissue. This is what creates those familiar shades of blue, purple, or even green. Your body is already hard at work to clear this away. Think of it as a small cleanup project that happens all on its own. Over the next few days to a week or so, you will see the bruise change color and fade as your body naturally reabsorbs the blood. This is a sure sign that you are healing perfectly. To help it along, you can be gentle with the area for the first day or two. It can be helpful to rest and, if it feels comfortable, apply a cool compress to soothe the spot. Remember, this is your body's remarkable way of taking care of a minor injury, and it is almost always nothing to be concerned about.